Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. So thanks for supporting the last video. So hope you were enjoying all the review and browser review, all the video over our YouTube channel. So if you really like the channel, please do subscribe and support us to make a more videos. Thank you. And let us go for today's video. And today's it's one of the videos people looking for. So how to use freely with the meeting, video call meeting, and any the business related meetings or any personal meetings to join and to share the screen to make their work perfect or personally connect. So these are related things. Video tool is there, so like and the Google. This tool, really helpful. And go to the the nine dots, where it kept, and just click on this Meet. Google Meet is important one, and the really people is really looking forward to use the Google Meet on the different meetings, personal connect, and everything. So here you can able to set the microphone and everything. Just we can choose the microphones if you need it, and you can enable the camera, and general settings are also available from here. Desktop notification, leave empty calls, and everything will be here. And here there are two or three options, like you can create a meeting for later, and you can start instant meeting or schedule the meeting in Google Calendar. So let us go and see one by one, and I'll just show you with the first start on an instant meeting. Yeah, this is the link you can share. Our meeting is ready, and you can share the link to the users who all are wants to join this URL, and you can share with them so that they can join, or else you can add from the user who all are wants to join. If you have any email address, you can add directly to them, to join the meeting, clicking on the add others. And this is the meeting code, and they can also dial open the Google Meet. They can dial this permission code, and they can able to dial. So we didn't enable the microphone and video, so if you want, you can enable, and you can set it over that. And also CC also is there. This could be in English and other language. You can change it from here. What all CC you wanted to change it, and you can change it over from here. And this is the reactions button, so you can give the reactions over during the meeting. And these are the send reactions. We can send the reactions, all the reactions from here during the meeting, if you really wanted to send the reactions. And this is the share screen, and if you want to present any content, you can present with the tab, Chrome tab, and window or entire screen. If you want, once you click on that, it will appear with the share. You can share your window, and this is window which all are you wanted to share with the people, and you can share here from here. And this is a hand raise. If you want really speak out the meeting, so you can raise with the hand, and it will appear during the meeting, like you are raising the hand. And if you click on here, you can able to see here, and you can also from add here, and you can lower the hand from here. And these are basic common settings over the Google Meet. And this can you can copy from here, joining info, like to join with other people. And this is activities, you can note it down from here, on the plugin application. So if you want, you can note down with your any tickets or any other meeting related note taker. See here, read my meeting note taker. You can take the meeting note. And Figma, LuidSpeak, and Miro also available. Poly also available. TeamViewer also, you can add the plugin, and you can use it from here. And this is something called host controls. And if you are ready to give the host, so that you can give the host management, and to give the host and everything. So These are meeting access type. I have enabled trusted. So if you select open, people can join open. Ready to join the meeting. So I'll just skip the trusted one. So you can able to control from here. These are common settings, and you can join from here. And so this is if you want, you can create with the instant meeting like this. And next one, if you want create meeting later, and we can copy the link, and we can give the people to who participate, who wants to join the meeting, and you can give the meeting link to join the meeting. And they can enter the code and dial them, so you can communicate with them, know what the time so they wanted to join, so that they can join the meeting. So basically, and the next one, schedule in the Google Calendar. You can schedule the meeting on the Google Calendar, like it will appear here. And you can change the themes, light, dark, device default. So I just kept light. And you can select the dates. If you want, you can select the for example, I'm just selecting number 1, and from time, from my local time, from 5 to 6 p.m. And time zone you can choose from here. And if you want serve different time zone, you can choose from there. And you can schedule the recurrence meeting all the day, and you can daily and weekly and Thursday, monthly and third Thursday, annually November 1st, and every weekday from Monday to Friday, and custom you can select from here. It's quite easier process to select the option. And if you click on that, it will appear here, like all the default visibilities. And here join with the host meeting, and you can add the location. So where if you are joining any room or any location, you can join to see the time. This is something called find time, so you can choose the time from here as well. All guests and required guests, no guests are available. So you can if you have the guest list, you can add from here. And this is the calendar. You can use this if you are adding the family members calendar, and you can add from here. And the meeting the settings, like the coloring you can update during the schedule. So and during the meeting, so how your the Google Meet will appear, it should be busy or free, you can change it from here. And default visibility, like this is something called the public and private. So if the meeting wants to go with the public or private, so you can choose it from here. And you can draft it from here, add description. So all the description you can add it from here. If you want really to wait on need to add, and you can add from here. So you can add from here, as well as you can modify from the list. And you can, if you have the email address, you can send it from here. And during the meeting, if you are included with the keep, and you can include, and task you can include, and the contacts you can get it from here. And maps if you want to include, and you can include. If you click on the add-ons, you can able to see the add-ons. Most of these add-ons available on Workspace. This is something called personal Google Meet settings. So this can really freely you can use to conduct the meeting, anything. So yeah, this is the way you can schedule the meeting, and you can choose any date or any particular date, and you can schedule. And the month wise you can schedule, and everything you can schedule from here, from the Google Calendar. So these are three options which you can create the meeting, like the meeting for later, and instant meeting, and schedule in the Google Calendar. So these all are you can expedite to see the options to set up the meeting. So it's quite easier process to set up the meeting on the Google Meet. And these Google Meet applications are available in Play Store, Android Play Store, as well as you can drag it over from the desktop, and you can use it this meeting, and to join with the people and collaborate with the people to easily on the Google Meet. Oh, thank you. Thanks for watching the video. Hope this video really likes you, and somehow it helps you to understand about the Google Meet. And thanks for watching. Thanks for your time.